Meaning of inexpedient.
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 Inexpedient. The word inexpedient means something that is not helpful or appropriate for a particular situation. If something is deemed inexpedient, it is considered to be unsuitable or impractical. For example, it might not be expedient to take a particular course of action if it is likely to cause more harm than good. The consequence of pursuing an inexpedient option could be negative, leading to wasted resources, lost time, and potentially even further complications. Therefore, it is important to carefully consider whether a decision or action is expedient or inexpedient before moving forward with it.